YouTube, it's Zay here. So I'm going to bring you guys a come over fade. Before we guys get started, just want to let you guys know that I have my social media course out as well as my tutorial membership where I'm teaching you guys how to fade, how to increase the detail of your haircuts with 45 minutes to an hour tutorials breaking down the full haircuts and all the steps and clippers and guards and everything that you're going to get the real explanation and breakdown so that you can improve your haircuts, in a little bit more detail than just a 7-minute tutorial. So guys, we're going to get started here. Taking my T outliners and just balding it out all the way in the back. I'm dropping it, doing a drop fade. Like I'm doing like a mid drop fade with this cut. I use both the Andis T outliners and the wall magic clips on this cut. And the way you want to drop it in the back, because I kind of went, right above the occipital bone. And I'm taking my wall magic clips open. And the way I fade is always open, halfway closed. Now I'm just taking my liners at the bottom. And I'm always just doing some cleanup work. Just like making sure that the blend at the bottom is as clean as possible. So again, we go open, halfway closed. We're working our way down a little bit. We're going with our 1.5 guard open and closed. We relatively know what the length is on the side, so that's why we're going directly to our 1.5 and just working our blend down. I always work my blends down, and then what I do is I use my shear over comb and I start taking down the weight on the sides and I start matching the blend around the ridge. I want a smooth transition, so I use my shear over comb to get the bulk down. And it also shapes the hair as well. As you can see, the details really matter when you guys are doing shear over comb. Then I'm going over with my fade with the half guard close. I go open and close, so I work my way up the fade, then I work my way down, and then I go my half guard as well as my 1 guard. I use all my guards in my guard scale. Just the cleanup work on this side. And again, guys, my tutorial membership is something that you should enroll in. It's only $29 a month, and you guys get access to Voxer and to speak with me directly. I'm breaking down 2 tutorials every single week in 45 minutes to an hour, and I show you guys every step, every guard, every breakdown, all the adjustments and cleanup work that I do, the styling, the shear work, the clipper over comb, how I get out lines, how I adjust my clippers. I'm just doing some cleanup work with my masters right here. And we just match the blend on the other side. So now, guys, we're just going to be doing some styling. And when I do the styling, like I always use a comb and my blow dryer. And I'm just literally right now, I'm just trying to create volume a little bit to the left of the hair. I'm trying to style his hair. Normally what you can do is just wet the hair and then start blow drying and then put pomade in the hair or like some type of styling spray or any type of, styling powder, whatever you want to do to put in the hair. And then I'm just combing it to the sides and I'm forming and making sure that the blend and transition is nice and smooth the way the hair lays down. I'm using Zay The Barber pomade. And we're trying to create, you know, a nice style for his hair. And I always comb a lot, guys. I'm always combing to making sure that I get the details on the sides, get every hair laying down. See that boy clean. The way I styled it, it's nice and clean. I'm using my 𝐥𝐤𝐤 just to go over the line. And I appreciate everybody who is subscribed to me on YouTube. I know I don't post on here all the time. You know, my focus is with my online courses and my education. But me giving you guys a short little tutorial is my, you know, gratitude to you guys and making sure that I keep this, you know, YouTube channel page going. As well as, guys, if you guys are interested in mentoring, I'm doing mentoring in the barber industry as well. Whether you need to increase the details of your fades, whether you need to become a six-figure barber and make more money. You know, I have the experience in the industry on social media, on Instagram, and so I'm trying to give back and teach and educate those in the industry how they can become successful in the industry themselves. We're just using the fibers after we use the razor. You know, for you guys who think that fibers aren't necessary, you know, they aren't, but they do add an enhancement look to the clients, and it gives them something that they love paying for. You know, my clients love the enhancements. It's something that has changed the game in the industry. Whether you think it was, you know, if some of you guys think it was negative, you know, I think look at it as a positive change in the industry. You know, it's allowed us to, as barbers, to expand, you know, our artistry. The details in the blends, guys. You know, it's all about, you know, giving more to your clients, giving more to your service. We're in November right now, guys, and so I'm just continuously just trying to go hard by the end of the year, finishing up 2018. It's a nice clean cut, the finished cut, guys. Nice blend. We kept it like a little drop in the back. I appreciate you guys for watching this video with me, guys. So again, make sure you guys enroll in my programs on if you guys are trying to learn how to increase your income, increase your clientele, or whether you guys want to have access to my fully detailed tutorials breaking down every week all different hairstyles and different haircuts. Have a good one, you guys. See you guys on the next one.